Good morning. Today we'll be having lecture on methods of inventory valuation. Now, this lecture would be divided into two parts. First, we'll have methods of inventory valuation of first two methods, that is LIFO and FIFO, and then other methods will be taken in the next lecture. Now, let us start with the methods of inventory valuation. No business can afford to ignore the method of inventory valuation. These are very important for computing the income and standard costing. Under standard costing, price in inventory are accounted for. There are some alternative approaches to valuation of materials acquired at various prices. Now, let us see what are these methods. And when the materials are used for the from the stores to production department, the question arises at what price the job should be charged, or at what price the raw material should be charged. So the question in preparing the cost statement, that at what price the raw material should be priced. The following system of pricing the material issued from the inventory are there. First is LIFO, first is FIFO, then is LIFO. FIFO means first in first out, LIFO means last in first out. Then we have average cost method, inflation price method, specific price method, base stock method, market price method, and standard price method. Let us deal with the first, that is the FIFO. First in, first out. This is the most logical method. The material which first comes in the stores is first drawn out of the stores. Under this method, material is first issued from the earliest consignment on hand. It is priced at the cost at which the consignment was placed in the store. This method is not suitable in items of falling prices, because the issuing prices of the material to the job will be higher. But it is, however, good for companies as it decreases the profits. The reason is that the earliest consignment had been purchased at a higher price, while the later consignments were purchased at a lower price. But in case of rising prices, this method is not suitable, because issue price of the material to produce will be lower, while the cost of replacing will be higher. Advantages of FIFO. Under this method, the materials are issued at purchase price, and therefore the cost of the job will be correctly ascertained. So, as far as the materials are concerned, thus this method recovers the cost price of the material. As discussed earlier, this method is very useful when the prices are falling. This method is simple to understand and easy to operate. This method is logical method because it takes into account the normal procedure of utilizing those material which has been received first. Closing stock of the material will be valued at the market price, as the closing stock under this method consists of the recently purchased material. Disadvantage: clerical errors. This method increases the possibility of clerical errors. If the price fluctuates considerably every time an issue of material is made, the ledger clerk will have to go through his stock record to ascertain the price to be charged. A comparison between the two charges is not possible. Second disadvantage: if the price fluctuates, comparison between one job and the other job becomes difficult. It is so because job stated earlier might have been issued material at a different price. Therefore, the comparison will be difficult. Comparisons are best made when everything is same. Another disadvantage is when the prices are rising, The issue price does not represent the market price. Therefore, the price charged to production is low because the cost of replacing the material consumed will be higher than the price of the issue. Now, let us move on to the other system, that is last in, first out. Under this method, issues are priced on the assumption that last item of the material purchased up to the date of issue are first to be issued. This method is suitable in the times of rising prices because the material will be issued from the latest consignment at a price which is closely related to the current price level. Now, advantage of LIFO. Materials are issued at a cost price, therefore no profit, no loss will be followed by using this method. Like FIFO method, this also recovers the cost, but actual cost of the material is charged to the production. Production is charged at the recent price as far as possible because the materials are used from the latest consignment. In the times of rising prices, this method is suitable because the material are used in the current market price which are higher. Disadvantages of LIFO. This method does help in showing lower profit because of increase charged to the production during the period of rising prices. During period of rising prices and lower profit, during the prices of rising prices, this method lowers the profit and lowers the burden of income tax. Disadvantages of LIFO. Clerical error. Like FIFO, this method may also lead to clerical error because every time the stock is issued, the ledger clerk will have to go through his records to ascertain the price to be charged. Comparison is difficult. Like FIFO, comparison between one job and the job and another job is difficult because the earlier job exhausted the supply of the lower price or higher priced material in the stock. Okay, that means we cannot compare the job because different jobs are priced at different prices. This is the problem. Comparison between one job and the job started a few minutes consumed merely because the earlier job exhausted the supply of lower price or higher price material in the stock. Therefore, the comparisons are not possible. Stocks not reflect the current market price. The stock in hand is valued at a price which does not reflect the current market price. Consequently, the cost closing stock will be understated or in the balance sheet. This is all about LIFO and FIFO as cost inventory evaluating methods. We'll be back with some other methods which we have stated in our next lecture, like average costing method and inflation price method, specific price method, base stock method, market price method and standard price method.